Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jessica and this weekend I'm going to Tahoe. But I need some car snacks and some slope snacks. So today I'm testing out a homemade energy balls recipe, but I'm going to optimize and customize with random ingredients I have in my pantry. I will start with the basic recipe, which is oats, some kind of nut butter, and some kind of sweetener. Then I'm going to try and do as many combinations as possible with random things in my house and pantry, like chocolate chips, coconut shreds, and maybe a couple fun random little things. Now comes the fun bit, the add-ins. First one, of course, chocolate chip. Then you've got some unsweetened shredded coconut. Your classic raisins. For those health nuts, chia seeds. My surprise add-ins are going to be Honey Nut Cheerios and this piece of fudge. Given all those ingredients, I wrote down a list of all the different combinations. So here we go. I'm gonna use a scooper though, just to make them all kind of about the same size. And here is the final 12 combinations. You've got your regular, which is just the base, chocolate chip and raisins, chocolate chip and coconut, chocolate chips plus coconuts plus raisins, chocolate chip, coconut, raisins, chia seeds, honey oats, straight fudge, fudge and coconut, fudge and honey oats, fudge and coconut, and honey oats, and then of course your double chocolate chips and fudge. Don't forget you can also chop everything up and throw it into one pan to make bars.